Listen very carefully because in just over a week, The Simpsons and Trump will be making millionaires overnight. Watch this video to the end and save it because they do not want you seeing this. Right, so everybody knows by now that The Simpsons never get a prediction wrong, like when Trump became president, when coronavirus started in 2020, and even when the Titanic submarine imploded. Behind me is the thing that changes everything, so listen up. In a recent episode, there's a scene where Homer is watching the news and it shows a global market update on May the 14th. It predicts oil pumping up to $200 per barrel due to the Strait of Hormuz closing again. But the weirdest part is that at the bottom of the screen we can see something called UNOS, which is priced at $1. And then literally in the next scene UNOS comes up again, with Trump laid up in bed next to two books, one of them labelled as UNOS at $1. Now at this point I was very curious as to what on earth this UNOS thing could be. So I did some research on all of the news. I saw that Trump is going to announce the United Nations oil supply on May the 14th. And May the 14th is literally the same date we saw in The Simpsons, so things are starting to line up. I also searched UNOS on X and saw that CNN announced all transactions in the Strait of Hormuz are to be paid with cryptocurrency, with UNOS being the designated asset, meaning billions in trading volume is about to start flowing through this token. Well, naturally, I jumped straight onto Coinbase and searched UNOS, and it came up as the first result. It's called United Nations Oil Supply, ticker UNOS, and it is literally less than a cent. I can't believe we're this early to an official government token. I've ate the huge bag in because when Trump announces this on the 14th and the Simpsons prediction of $1 comes true, hitting in at these levels will literally be a 2000x, which means 1,000 could turn into $2 million. You can also find UNOS on Phantom Wallet, and make sure that if you do, the CA starts with BXY, as there are a bunch of fake tokens. I'll pin the real CA in the comments so you guys don't get scammed, and if you want to make sure, then comment UNOS and I'll send the ticker straight to you. Drop a like for a surprise in your DMs and join my community link in the bio.